Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen clearly. Today is 29th of June. So I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen at the US dollar Japanese yen. The GBP USD, sorry. So this chart, basically, we've seen the possibility that the price may likely continue to the lower side. We have a level here. We have a very good level here. We have a support here. We have a support there. There is a break below that level. We have a resistance. We have a resistance. There's a break above it. We have a support. We have a support here, and we have a support there. Then currently, as we're speaking, the price is around the same area, which is this level. Just a second. This level here is around 1.21621.845. So if the price breaks and closes below this level, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing downwards, at least up to this point, which is 1.19967. And in case the price bounces off from this level, then that will be a sign that now we are heading to the upper side. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to 1.23233. So on the other side, if the price continues up and even breaks above this level, which is 1.23340, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing much higher, at least up to this point here. So we have a resistance there. This support here, a support here, a support there, and a support. There's a breakout. If the price should break above this level here, then the next place we expect it to go up to is somewhere around these two lines, which is 1.24824 or 1.24676. My next chart, this is the US dollar Japanese yen. So we have this chart here where there is a good resistance level here, and then we have a support there. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and then we have a support there. So as it is right now, we expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this line here, which is 136.751 or 136.631. If the price can successfully break and close above this point, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing to the upper side. And on the other side, if the price bounces off from this level here, then that will be the best place to look for a sell position from. We expect the sellers to push price down at least up to this level here, these two lines. My next chart is Euro USD. So with the USD so far, I'm seeing a shape forming. It was actually violated recently. So we had a trend line here. Sorry about that. We had a trend line there. And then we had another one there. So we had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. And we had a resistance. Then we had a support. We had a support. We had a support. And then there was this breakout here. So as it is right now, we expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to 1. This is 1.3815. As long as the price is held below this trend line here, this lower trend line, we are looking for sell positions. We expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here, which is this target 1.3815. We are not going to say much on this chart except that we are looking for sell positions strictly up to this point here. So the next instrument is this one here. This is Brent oil. We have a level there. You can see the price used this level as a very good support. So actually support, dynamic support and resistance levels do work. You can see that here. It is from this point here. So we had a support there, we had a support there, we had a support there, we had a support, we had a support, and we had a support there. Then we have another one. So we have a resistance there, we have a resistance there, we have a resistance. As it is right now, we took a buy position here. We are still holding onto that position. We expect the buyers to continue to push price upwards. We are actually looking for a break above this level. This is a resistance here. There's a resistance here. It was used somewhere here as a support. It was violated. Then you had a support. It was broken, used as a resistance. So we expect the price to break above this level, then pull back to the same level so that we can continue upwards up to the trend line we have at the very top. So this here will be the correct place to look for a buy from. My next symbol is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we are looking for a possible sell. The price is bearish. You can see that the price continues to move down despite the fact that we expect the price to be going upwards. So we had a swing high here. The price went down, formed a low here, gave us a low, which is a high which is lower than the previous high. Then the price went down, formed a low here, then it gave us another high which is lower than the previous high. It went down. As we're speaking now, the price has formed a high which is lower than the previous high. So this could be a sign that the price may likely be heading to the seller side. We may sell positions continue to push price downwards. So look for sell orders, look for sell positions, look for sell positions at least up to this point here. My next chart is gold. So with gold so far, we are looking for possibility that the price may likely sell off. So we have a support here, we have a support, the price is headed for a short. So if the price breaks below this trend line here, then that will be a sign that we are continuing to the seller side. But if the price does not break below it, that it bounces off from it, then that could be the best place to look for a buy position from. We do expect buyers to push price back to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So that should be the end of today's session. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.